noticed recently that you have an upcoming event, whether it's in person, maybe you're speaking, maybe you're presenting at an important meeting, or maybe you're going online and you're realizing you are not confident being seen? Maybe you've gained some weight over the last couple years. Maybe you're getting older and you're starting to compare yourself to all the other amazing women that you're seeing, and you're thinking, oh my gosh, I can't be seen. Like, I don't feel confident. You don't feel confident, and it's really starting to mess with your mind, if you will, of how you're showing up and how you're feeling about yourself. Hi, I'm Annette Bond, certified image consultant, and I work with successful, amazing women just like you who aren't feeling 100% confident in their clothing choices or what's hanging in their closet. And it's holding you back from showing up fully, if you will. I have worked with women for 30 years. It's truly been a lifetime passion of mine. And the one common denominator that I find of the clients that I work with, they always say to me, Annette, help me to show up more confidently because I need to be seen. And so with that, I want to welcome you to Being Seen with Confidence series. And we're going to talk about this for the next few weeks. Today, I want to talk about one tip that you can do today, and you can do it in a very small way that I guarantee it is going to elevate your personal confidence when you are being seen. One thing I know for sure, we as women, I don't know what it is, but we've always had this thing of comparing ourselves to other women. And maybe, as I said, you've gained some weight, maybe you're aging, and you're starting to realize, wow, I don't look like I used to look. And you're looking to the outside with the comparisons, or you're looking to the outside of you of what others are going to think about you. And we have this thing in our head, don't we, about being judged and what are others going to think about us. Oh my gosh, I remember it so clearly. Probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago, when I was told, Annette, you need to go live on Facebook. I was so terrified. Oh my gosh. I mean, I can remember the feeling in my stomach and my head about what others were going to say about me. What were they going to think? You know, was I showing up appropriately? How did my hair look? How did my makeup look? So the tip I want to leave you with, and I want you to focus on this for a week, I want you to think about, what do you love about you? I want you to look in the inside. It might be you love your eyes. How might you showcase your eyes? Is it a beautiful new blouse? Is it starting to look in your closet and saying, wow, I used to get compliments when I wore that blouse? Maybe it's doing your eyes differently. Isn't it funny how sometimes we can change one thing and it changes our whole thought process of how we see ourselves? Maybe you have those like amazing, sexy legs. How might you show them off? Maybe it's a fabulous pair of shoes. Maybe it's a great pair of skinny jeans, or a new silhouette of a jean that you haven't tried yet. I believe, and if you've been around me for a while, I believe that style begins with you and not the clothes. So again, I want you to focus on something you love about you. So until I see you next time, I want to invite you to AnnetteBond.com/style confidence and download my Get Style Confident guide now. And this will be a beautiful accompaniment to our discussion on being seen with confidence.